Hi, I'm gonna do a sour punch taste test. And it's green apple, so you're gonna see how it goes. I gotta open it. Oh, gotta open it.
I'm gonna try some, right, Josh?
She's gonna try some too. I gotta taste mine first. Not so sour. And now her turn.
This is gonna be super good.
Only one.
I'm gonna choose this one. It's not sour at all. I'm gonna pour it. Let's take this off, right, Josh? No, I can't get out.
Well, she ate it. She said it wasn't sour. Tick tick bar, have a fun day.
But I didn't eat it.
Wait, she didn't eat it.
Yours is in my purse. My purse is right there on the sofa. Oh, you sharing with me?
Open it. Anything else?
Now we're moving. Just one. She's gonna try it.
Next, you're
How
battling
many
more.
you want? 2? Maybe. Well, no, you did earlier. Jason has a burger in there. You want it? You want me to warm that for you too?
Did she bite it?
She bought a little very small piece of it.
Yeah.
Bye.
Oh, let's say tick tick bye.
Tick, tick, bye.
Have a fun day, like we always say.